Hi all, welcome to TID Style. We have a crepe set collection. We have a set purchase WhatsApp purchase. First, we have a black base side and the bathroom set. Front and back for the bathroom. White, grama green color combination with the bathroom top in front and back for the bathroom. Crepe fabric. Dupatta varuna bathikkondu vannittulla dupattayanu varunathu. Dupatta varuna crepe thaneyanu fabric varunathu. Ingane oru dupatta. Bottom varunathu crepe thaneyanu fabric varunathu. Plain aanu bottom varunathu. Ingane oru bottom. Price varunathu 1390 free shipping. Next varunathu black thanne base side vannittu nalloru yellow aanu varunathu. Yellow um white color bathik print varuna set aanu. Yellow back varunathu same bathik print thaneyanu. Dupatta varunathu nalla mango white color bathik print vannittulla dupatta aanu. Nalla beautiful dupatta aanu. Nalla bhangiyulla dupatta aanu. Black base side vannittu ayinathana bathik print varunathu. Bottom varunathu nalla mango color varuna plain bottom aanu. Crepe aanu fabric varunathu. Price varunathu 1390 free shipping. Next is nalla blue aanu. Adinathu white color bathik print aanu varunathu. Nalla cheriya flower design vannittulla bathik print aanu. Front ilum back ilum ore polte bathik print vannittulla set aanu. Top in a border attached to the top. Dupatta is beautiful dupatta. Dupatta is white color bathik print. Bottom is bathik print bottom price is 1390 free shipping. Next is mustard yellow. Rare color mustard yellow. And white color bathik print pattern. Back same pattern than bathik print. Beautiful set top. Dupatta varunathu nalla mustard like white color le bathik print vannittulla dupatta aanu. Nalla beautiful dupatta aanu idu clear cheyidu vannikkune. Bottom varunathu plain bottom aanu. Price is 1390 free shipping. Next is nalla red aanu. Nalla red aanu. Red inathana bathik print vannirukkunathu. Ee oru design thaneyanu back ilum varunathu. Top ine daamine illa oru border pole attach cheyidunde. Bathik print varununde. Dupatta varunathu nalla beautiful dupatta aanu. Crepe thaneyanu fabric varunathu. Nalla flower design varunna dupatta. Bottom is printed bottom. Bottom is a flower design the bottom. Bottom. Price is 1390 free shipping. Next is a coffee brown and black shivery print. Star pattern set. Bathik print star pattern. Shivery print set. Top in the back in front same pattern than Dupatta is bathik print, shivery print, dupatta is nalla coffee brown aanu varunathu. Eppudu namukku encourage varuna set aanu. Ingane top. Bottom is bathik print vannittulla bottom aanu. Price is 1390 free shipping. Idante edengilu crepe set purchase cheyanadante WhatsApp through aanu purchase cheyendathu. WhatsApp like screenshot eduthu send cheytha madhiye. YouTube ilanu video kannunengil like cheyyuka, share cheyyuka, subscribe cheyyuka. Okay, thank you.